Hello everyone and welcome to my channel HK Technical. So welcome back guys, and I'm also back. I bought you something new in the market, the FND E200. So this is the FND mini soundbar. Its model number is E200. So guys, let's open it. As you can see, it is made by the FND and it cost 990. You can buy it from Amazon, Snapdeal, or any shopping website. So let's open it. So here is the speaker. It's a good quality mini soundbar. It's made of metal. The back is of plastic and its model number is E200 and its power input is 5 volt 1 ampere and it's a made in China product. And we get 2 jacks with it. Let's keep this aside. We get a warranty card too. We get 2 jacks with it. This one is the power jack and this is the aux jack. And this is the volume button. So let's take a demo. So guys, as you have seen, it has a super duper bass and it is best for music lovers. So guys, now we come to end of this video. I'll just say one thing. Please drop your valuable comments. Please subscribe and hit the like button. If you like our video, please subscribe.